Hello everyone and welcome back to Drawn Peak, where learning English is easy, fun, and totally possible. I am Sarah.
And I am Samir. Hello everyone. It is so great to be here with you today. Hi Sarah, how are you doing?
Samir, I have a confession to make today.
A confession? What does that mean?
A confession means you admit something you are not proud of, something a little embarrassing.
Oh, this is going to be good. Tell me everything.
Okay. So, last Saturday, I had a very important list of things to do. Study English, clean my apartment, go to the gym, call my mother.
That sounds like a very productive day.
Samir, I did 0 of those things. 0.
0? What did you do instead?
I lay on my sofa. I watched 3 movies. I ordered pizza twice.
Twice? You ordered pizza twice in one day?
The first pizza was lunch. The second pizza was motivation.
Motivation pizza? I have never heard of that before.
It did not work, by the way. Sunday, I did the same thing.
Sarah, that is the most relatable story I have ever heard in my life.
And the worst part, I felt so guilty the whole time, but I still could not move.
That feeling has a name.
Yes. Today's topic is how to stop feeling lazy.
So you learn English and get your life together at the same time.
2 problems, 1 podcast.
So Sarah, let us start with the big question. What is laziness exactly?
I think laziness is when you do not want to do anything, even things you know are good for you.
That is a good start. But here is something surprising. Most of the time, laziness is not actually laziness.
Wait, what do you mean?
What we call laziness is usually something else. It is tiredness, or fear, or feeling overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. What does that mean?
Overwhelmed means you have too many things to do and your brain just shuts down, like a computer with too many windows open.
Oh, that is exactly what happened to me on Saturday. My list was so long I did not know where to start.
Exactly. So you started nowhere.
I started on the sofa with pizza.
Think about it like this. Laziness is like a heavy blanket. It feels warm and comfortable, but underneath there is always a reason why you cannot get up.
A heavy blanket. I love that.
Exactly. Let us get started.
Samir, let us start with why. Why do we feel lazy in the first place?
Great starting point. The number 1 reason is we do not see a clear reward.
A reward? What do you mean?
Your brain always asks, what do I get from doing this? If the answer is not clear or not exciting, your brain says no.
So my brain did not want to clean the apartment because what is the reward?
Exactly. And a clean apartment does not feel exciting enough for your brain.
But a pizza feels very exciting for my brain.
Immediately exciting. That is the key word. Immediately.
Immediately. That means right now, not later.
Your brain loves immediate rewards. Cleaning gives a reward later. Pizza gives a reward now. So your brain picks pizza.
So I am not lazy. My brain is just very logical.
In a strange way, yes. But here is the second reason people feel lazy. They are exhausted.
Exhausted? What does that mean?
Exhausted means extremely tired. Not just a little tired. Completely drained of energy.
Drained. Like a phone battery. At 0%.
Perfect example. If your battery is at 0, you cannot run any apps. Your brain is the same.
So sometimes laziness is just our body saying, I need to rest.
Exactly. Rest is not laziness. Real rest is actually productive.
Productive. That means doing something useful.
Yes. Resting so you can work better later, that is productive rest. Lying on the sofa, avoiding everything that is lazy, rest.
Okay. So there is good rest and bad rest.
You understood perfectly, Sarah.
I have had a lot of experience with both.
Okay, so now we know why we feel lazy. Let us talk about what to do about it.
Yes, please. I need this in my life.
The first strategy is called the 2-minute rule.
2-minute rule. What is that?
If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately, right now. No thinking.
Like replying to a message, or washing 1 cup, or making my bed.
Exactly. These small things feel lazy to start, but they take almost no time.
And once you start, you keep going?
That is the secret. Starting is always the hardest part. Once you start, momentum builds.
Momentum. What does that mean?
Momentum means the energy that keeps you moving forward, like a ball rolling down a hill. Once it starts rolling, it keeps going on its own.
Oh, so the first step creates the momentum for the next step.
Exactly. I have a personal story about this.
Tell me. I love your stories.
Last month, I had to write a very long report for work. Every day I looked at it and felt completely paralyzed.
Paralyzed? What does that mean here?
Paralyzed means you cannot move, like your body and brain are frozen. You know you need to do something, but you just cannot start.
Yes, I know that feeling so well.
So one day I said I will just write the first sentence. Just one sentence. That is all.
And what happened?
I wrote the first sentence. Then the second came naturally. Then the third. 2 hours later, the whole report was done.
Just because you started with one sentence?
Just one sentence. The 2-minute rule saved me.
I am going to use this today. I am going to wash just one dish when I get home.
And you will probably wash all of them.
Probably.
Sarah, can I share something that really helped me with laziness?
Of course. Please share.
I started talking to myself in English when I feel lazy.
Oh, interesting. What do you mean exactly?
When I do not want to do something, I say out loud in English, "Okay, Sarah, get up. Just start. You can do this."
So you give yourself a little English pep talk.
Pep talk. What does that mean?
A pep talk is a short, encouraging speech. You give it to yourself or someone else to feel motivated.
Yes, exactly, a pep talk. In English.
And this actually has two benefits.
2 benefits. Tell me.
First, it helps with the laziness. You are talking yourself into action.
Talking yourself into action. That means using words to make yourself do something.
Perfect. And second, you are practicing English at the same time.
So, every time I feel lazy, it is actually an English practice opportunity.
Exactly. Your lazy moments become English learning moments.
I love that so much. Laziness is now my English teacher.
Here are some useful English phrases for your lazy moments. Repeat after me, everyone.
Yes. Practice these with us right now.
Phrase 1, just get started.
Just get started. Simple and powerful.
Phrase 2, one step at a time.
One step at a time. Do not think about everything. Just the next step.
Phrase 3, done is better than perfect.
Done is better than perfect. This one changed my life, honestly.
What does it mean to you, Samir?
It means stop waiting until everything is perfect. Just finish it.
That is exactly right. Perfect explanation.
Sarah, I want to talk about something that most people never think about.
What is that?
Your environment.
Environment? You mean like nature, trees, and rivers?
Not that environment. I mean, your surroundings. The place where you work or study.
Oh, like my room or my desk.
Exactly. Your physical surroundings affect your brain more than you think.
Really? How?
If your desk is messy, your brain feels messy. If your room is dark, your brain feels slow.
Oh, that explains my Saturday. My apartment was messy. The curtains were closed. The sofa was right there.
Your environment was designed for laziness.
It really was. I set a lazy trap for myself.
So the solution is simple. Design your environment for action.
Design your environment. What does that mean practically?
Open the curtains, let in natural light. Put your phone in another room. Put your book or work on your desk before you sleep.
So when you wake up, everything is ready for you.
Exactly. You do not have to make any decisions. Your environment decides for you.
I have a funny story about this.
Tell me.
I wanted to start exercising in the mornings, but every morning I felt too lazy to find my gym clothes.
So what did you do?
I started sleeping in my gym clothes.
You slept in your gym clothes?
Every night. So when I woke up, I was already dressed. I had no excuse.
That is actually genius. Uncomfortable, but genius.
It worked though. I went to the gym every morning for 3 weeks.
See? You removed the barrier.
Barrier. What does that mean?
A barrier is something that blocks your way. That makes something harder to do. Finding gym clothes was your barrier. You removed it.
So to stop being lazy, find the barrier and remove it.
Simple as that.
Before we continue, a small message for our amazing listeners.
Yes, if this conversation is helping your English today, please give us a like. It really means everything to us.
And subscribe to Drawn Peak so you never miss a new episode every single week.
Share this with a friend who is learning English. Or maybe a friend who also needs to stop being lazy.
And if you are still with us right now, comment the word motivated below.
Yes, comment motivated. Because that is exactly what you are becoming right now.
We love reading every single comment. They make our whole day better.
Sarah, I want to talk about something deeper now.
Go ahead.
There is a difference between being lazy and being kind to yourself.
Oh, that is an important difference. Say more.
Sometimes we call ourselves lazy, but actually we are burned out.
Burned out. What does that mean?
Burned out means you have worked so hard for so long that you have no energy left at all, like a candle that is burned completely down.
Oh, like the candle has nothing left to give.
Exactly. And when you are burned out, rest is not laziness. Rest is medicine.
Medicine. That is a powerful way to say it.
If a doctor tells you to rest, you rest. You do not call yourself lazy for listening to the doctor.
So we should listen to our body like we listen to a doctor.
Yes, your body gives you signals. Tiredness, headaches, no motivation. These are signals.
Signals that say, slow down. You need rest.
Exactly. The problem is, we feel guilty for resting.
Oh yes. I felt so guilty on Saturday. The whole time I was resting, I was thinking I should be doing something. I am so lazy.
And that guilt made you feel worse, not better.
It made everything worse. I felt bad, and I was still on the sofa.
Here is where I want to add something that might surprise you.
Tell me.
I think sometimes what we call laziness is actually our brain protecting us.
Protecting us? From what?
From failure, from judgment. If you never start, you can never fail.
Oh, that is deep, Samir. So the laziness is actually fear in disguise.
Fear wearing a lazy coat.
Fear wearing a lazy coat. Like our earlier episode, fear wearing a nice coat.
Exactly. Same idea.
Talk to the fear. What do you mean?
Say to yourself, I am not lazy. I am afraid. What am I afraid of?
That requires a lot of self-awareness.
Self-awareness. What does that mean?
Self-awareness means knowing yourself well, understanding your own thoughts and feelings.
Perfect definition. Self-awareness is the first step to change.
I slightly disagree with one thing though, Samir.
Tell me, I want to hear.
I think sometimes people are just genuinely lazy. Not afraid, not burned out, just comfortable.
That is a very fair point.
And in that case, the 2-minute rule and the environment strategies are the solution.
You are right. Different causes need different solutions. Know yourself first.
Exactly. Are you burned out? Rest.
That is the most clear summary I have ever heard.
Okay, everyone. Now it is your turn.
Yes. Pause this episode right now.
Think of one thing you've been putting off. One thing you keep saying, I will do it tomorrow.
Now ask yourself, why am I avoiding this? Be honest.
Am I tired? Am I afraid? Or am I just too comfortable?
Once you know the answer, you know the solution.
And then just start with 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.
Go. Right now. We will wait.
Okay, let me recap everything we talked about today.
Go ahead, Sarah. You always do this so beautifully.
So we learned that laziness is not always laziness. It is often tiredness, fear, or feeling overwhelmed.
Know the real reason first.
Then we learned the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now.
Starting creates momentum. Momentum keeps you going.
We also talked about giving yourself English pep talks. Just get started, one step at a time. Done is better than perfect.
Practice English while fighting laziness. 2 benefits, 1 action.
And we learned about environment. Remove the barriers. Design your space for action.
Open the curtains. Put your phone away. Set everything up the night before.
And finally, know the difference between laziness and burnout. Sometimes rest is not lazy. Sometimes rest is medicine.
Think of it like this.
Rest is fuel. I love that, Samir.
Before we go, Sarah has one final secret tip, only for our most loyal listeners who stayed until the very end.
Yes. This is your special reward for being here today.
Here is the tip. Every night before you sleep, write down just one thing you will do tomorrow morning. Not a list, just one thing.
Just one thing?
Just one. Make your bed, send one email, study English for 5 minutes.
Because one thing is easy to say yes to.
Exactly. Your brain does not feel overwhelmed by one thing. It feels capable.
Capable. That means you believe you can do it.
Yes. And that one thing creates the momentum for the whole day.
One thing every morning. I am starting tonight.
And write it in English. One more bonus, you practice English too.
Even the bonus tip has a bonus tip.
And that is everything for today's episode of Drawn Peak.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It truly means the world to us.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little push today.
And do not forget to comment motivated below. We want to see you there.
Remember, you are not lazy. You are human.
The difference between the person who grows and the person who stays still is just one decision, just one small start.
So go make your bed. Wash one dish. Write one sentence. Start somewhere, anywhere.
Every expert was once on the sofa avoiding something. You are already on the right path because you are here learning right now.
Goodbye, Sarah. See you next time.
Goodbye, Samir. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.